Two more missing construction workers from Assam were rescued from the Kurung Kumey district of Arunachal Pradesh. District Magistrate Nighee Bengia said the labourers were rescued in critical condition by the State Disaster Response Force and locals from a jungle located between Huri and Tapa on July 24th. As of July 25th, 10 of the 19 missing workers have been rescued. The conditions of the rescued people are reportedly critical, but they are being treated for injuries. As per the statements of the two rescued people, 4 more workers were left behind who were in critical condition and were unable to walk in the forest. The 19 people, mostly Muslims, were engaged in the construction of a road from Daman Circle in Kurung Kumey to the China border. The project is being executed by the BRO. They had fled their camp at Huri in the district on the night of July 5, ostensibly after being denied permission to go home and celebrate Eid.